Are you thinking about going to college?
Yes.
Are you prepared? If you aren't, you're not alone. Where to go, what to study, when to apply, or how to pay for it, it can be overwhelming. Introducing Upward Bound Math and Science, or UBMS, at IUP. UBMS is a federally funded program that provides individualized as well as group services to high school students in Indiana County throughout the academic year and during the summer program to prepare for college and STEM careers. When you join UBMS at IUP, the program staff will meet with you individually. These sessions cover a variety of topics like career and college exploration, financial aid, study skills, academic support, and monthly stipends during the academic year and summer program, all to help prepare you for college. They will also work with you to create a college and career plan to prepare you to enter a STEM field that excites you. As high school seniors, they will walk you through the college application, the financial aid application, and scholarships applications.
I'm talented.
Here's a scholarship.
But that's not all. UBMS hosts a 6-week summer residential program where you live on campus and participate in field science research, STEM workshops including cybersecurity, drones and biotechnology applications, and college visits in order for you to see your college and career dreams in action.
My dreams in action.
And the best part is, it's all free.
Free!
So what's stopping you? Join UBMS at IUP today. Download the application form from our website at iup.edu/upwardbound. Or if you have questions, call Dr. Hillary Staples at 724-357-1337. That's 724-357-1337.